Everyone's talking about the AI revolution and the green energy transition. But while the headlines focus on smart software and solar power, most people are missing the secret ingredient making it all happen: silver. What's going on behind the scenes is setting the stage for a massive shift in the market for this often overlooked metal. And today, we're breaking it down. The silver market is facing a supply deficit for the 6th year in a row. By 2026, the world is expected to need 67 million more ounces of silver than it can mine and recycle. So, what's causing this? Two of the biggest technological forces on the planet. First, the boom in AI and data centers. Every single server and high-end semiconductor needs silver. Why? Because it has the best electrical conductivity of any metal, which is absolutely essential for handling massive amounts of data and heat. Second, you have the solar energy explosion. Now panel manufacturers are trying to use less silver to save money, a process they call thrifting. But even with those efforts, the sheer volume of new solar installations keeps demand incredibly high. Any slack from thrifting is being quickly absorbed by the growth in AI and other electronics. This relentless demand is running straight into a supply chain that just can't keep up. Unlike other resources, you can't just decide to mine more silver overnight. Most of it is actually a byproduct of mining for other metals like copper and zinc, so production can't be ramped up quickly, even when we're deep in a deficit. This situation creates a fascinating dynamic. The industrial demand for silver is what economists call inelastic. Tech giants building out their AI empires won't stop production just because silver gets more expensive. It's a tiny fraction of their budget, but an absolutely essential component. But here's the real accelerator. Investors are finally catching on. Investment in physical silver is projected to jump 20% in 2026, hitting a 3-year high. As more people see the structural supply problem and realize silver is a critical metal for electrifying basically everything, they're piling into the market and adding fuel to the fire. It's this powerful combination of steady, non-negotiable industrial demand and a fresh surge of investment that's putting historic pressure on the silver market. The story is no longer just about silver's industrial uses. It's about a fundamental supply and demand crisis. We have a structural deficit supercharged by the needs of new technology and now amplified by a wave of investors.